The Monkey Bar storage system is an innovative solution for garage storage and organization. It adjusts to your changing lifestyle and is custom built to suit your needs. The shelving system stores everything off the floor and separates your items into two categories: the items you use most often and the items you use less frequently. The brackets store your items in layers, allowing you to store more items in the same amount of space. The patented design also supports 1,000 pounds per 4-foot section. The main shelf is available in various depths and configurations. Inverted-style brackets make the most of your garage by utilizing high wall space above cabinets, windows, garage doors, or as a second tier above a Monkey Bar storage system. Each system is designed and installed by professionals and backed by a lifetime warranty. The shelving brackets are powder-coated in two finishes: desert stone or granite gray. Designer series shelves include custom colors for a more coordinated look. The bar height can be easily adjusted by pressing the double button and moving the bar. Hooks securely snap into place in front or behind the bar and can be moved side to side. A variety of hook sizes and shapes are designed to hang almost anything. Monkey Bar Storage offers a variety of accessories, such as sports bags for balls and toys, adjustable shelves for smaller items, and folding workbenches that stow away against the wall when not in use. A Monkey Bar can also be attached directly to the wall to create a utility rack, which can be used to store yard tools, bike trailers, chairs, or other items close to the wall to create more space. Garage cabinets, overhead racks, slat wall, and garage floor coatings can all be color coordinated for a uniform and polished look. Our garage consultants will help you maximize your storage space and provide you with a storage system that is as attractive as it is functional. Contact us for a free estimate and get started on your Monkey Bar storage system today.